As he steps off the plane, he's got something to gain. Never going back to the hay in the shack, away from the rain, the clouds and the pain, to a new life of hope in this land far from home. For he's here in New York, in the land of the free. All he needs is a job, paying a couple of bob. He's a chippy, no a bricky, he'll do anything at all. For he got his degree and his way across the sea. For he's here in New York and he's never going back, 'cause he loves the girls to be the bars and crack. And it's out to work every day for to try and make his way. He's got all the bills and the Connoisseur to pay. And when the weekend comes again, he has to have that extra money for to pick up a mat and maybe have some fun. For he's here in New York and he's never going back, 'cause he loves the girls to be the bars and crack. Don't wake me and shake me, I'm sleeping, I'm dreaming of home. I'm there in my dreams, not again, no worry I am alone. I'm empty and hollow and homesick and lonely for home. So rock me to sleep in the cradle, to the place I was born. Paddy says, Jesus, it's not easy over here. All they got is shots and steins of beer. And the trouble it takes to try and find a decent pint of stout, so it'll drive any man in his right mind out.